Begin by unboxing your AT&T BGW210 gateway. Carefully open the package and remove all components, including the gateway device, power adapter, and any cables provided. Next, locate the power adapter that came with your BW210. Connect the adapter's cable to the power port on the back of the gateway. Then plug the adapter into a nearby electrical outlet. Now connect your internet cable. If you have fiber service, plug the fiber cable from the optical network terminal, ONT, into the broadband port on the back of the BGW210. For DSL service, connect the phone line to the DSL port. If you have AT&T TV service, take the provided Ethernet cable and connect one end to the Ethernet port labeled 1 on the back of the BGW210. Connect the other end to your TV receiver or set-top box. Finally, locate the power button on the front or back of the BGW210 and press it to turn the device on. The indicator lights should begin to illuminate, showing that the gateway is powering up. Important: ensure the electrical outlet is not overloaded by other devices. Avoid any DIY modifications to the BGW210, as this will void your warranty and may cause safety issues. Once the BGW210 is powered on, use the AT&T Internet app or navigate to 192.168.1.254 in your web browser to activate the device using your AT&T account. This process involves speed tests and automatic firmware updates, which can take 5 to 10 minutes. After activation, customize your Wi-Fi SSID, network name, and password via the app or web interface. For optimal performance, enable smart steering to automatically switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. You can also set up a guest network for added security. Remember, if you decide to use advanced settings or set up IP pass-through mode so you can use a router, you will need to connect your router to one of the 4 gigabit Ethernet ports available.